1. Illuminate. English. To light up or explain clearly. Usage. The teacher illuminated the concept using real-life examples. 2. Illustrate. English. To explain with examples or diagrams. Usage. The book illustrates the impact of pollution on the environment. 3. Impart. English. To give or communicate knowledge or skill. Usage. Parents should impart moral values to their children. 4. Impel. English. To drive or force someone to act. Usage. Hunger impelled him to steal. 5. Implore. English. To beg earnestly or desperately. Usage. She implored her father to forgive her. 6. Improvise. Bangla. English. To do or make something without preparation. Usage. He had to improvise a speech at the last moment. 7. Incur. English. To bring something, usually unpleasant, upon oneself. Usage. He incurred heavy debts due to his careless spending. 8. Inflict. Bangla. English. To cause pain, harm, or suffering. Usage. The war inflicted terrible losses on the country. 9. Inhibit. English. To restrain or prevent something. Usage. Fear inhibited her from expressing her opinion. 10. Instigate. English. To provoke or initiate something, usually negative. Usage. He instigated a fight between the two groups. 11. Inscribe. English. To write or carve on a surface. Usage. His name was inscribed on the gold medal. 12. Inundate. English. To flood or overwhelm. Usage. She was inundated with messages after the event. 13. Invigorate. English. To energize or refresh. Usage. A walk in the morning invigorated his mind. 14. Instill. English. To gradually implant an idea or feeling. Usage. The teacher instilled confidence in her students. 15. Invalidate. English. To cancel or make invalid. Usage. The document was invalidated due to a signature mismatch. 16. Incite. English. To encourage or provoke negative behavior. Usage. The leader was arrested for inciting violence. 17. Intertwine. English. To twist together or become connected. Usage. Their lives were deeply intertwined. 18. Ingratiate. English. To try to gain favor by pleasing someone. Usage. He tried to ingratiate himself with his new boss. 19. Imbibe. English. To drink or absorb ideas, knowledge, or feelings. Usage. He imbibed wisdom from ancient books. 20. Intervene. English. To come between, to alter or stop a course of events. Usage. The teacher had to intervene to stop the argument.